Now here we are discussing the condition when for the two angle of projection horizontal range is same. How? You will see. Suppose from the horizontal, if I am taking, this is the height of the object along the y-axis and this is the range. This is the vertical displacement and this is the horizontal displacement of projectile. So if I am taking that the object is thrown at an angle of 15 degree from the horizontal. So this is 15 degree, means you have taken theta is equal to 15 degree. So the remaining angle which made with the vertical direction, that will be what? 90 minus theta. So the next angle is what? 90 minus theta. And what is that? This is 90 minus 15 comes out to be 75 degree. Okay. See, this is 15 degree angle with the horizontal and the remaining angle with the vertical is what? That is 75. Now if we suppose that you will throw the object at 75 degree angle from the horizontal, so the remaining angle is the vertical direction with the vertical direction 15 degree. Clear? So for these two angles you are observing the range is same. Whether the object is thrown at an angle of 15 degree with the horizontal or if the object is thrown at an angle of 75 degree with the horizontal, range will be same. This is the range for 15 and 75. Similarly, if we suppose that the object is thrown at an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal, so if theta is equal to 30 degree, so what is 90 minus theta? The angle which the object made with the vertical direction, that will be 90 minus 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. Clear? This 60 degree. So whether you are throwing the object at an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal or whether you are throwing the object at 60 degree with the horizontal, again you will observe that the range will be same. Okay. So in these two angle range will be same. How? You will see mathematically also. What is the formula of the range? R is equal to u square sine 2 theta upon g. Okay. When angle is theta for the first case. I have supposed this is R1. Now for angle 90 minus theta, when this angle is replaced by 90 minus theta, then R2 u square sine 2. What you will place at the place of theta? 90 minus theta divided by g. Now this is u square sine 180 minus 2 theta divided by g, and it comes out to be what? This comes out to be u square sine 2 theta upon g. Why? Because sine 180 minus theta will be equal to sine theta. So here we have a sine 180 minus 2 theta. Here angle is 2 theta. So according to this identity, it will become u square sine 2 theta upon g. So again you have got value of R1 is equal to u square sine 2 theta upon g. So see, this is the formula of R1 when angle is thrown at an angle of theta means 15 degree, and when it is thrown at 90 minus theta means at 75 degree. Okay, so you will be getting the same value of the range. That means this shows R1 is equal to R2. Range will be same. And similarly you can find out the same condition if you will throw any object at an angle theta with the vertical direction. Okay. अगर ये एंगल आप थीटा लेते हैं वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन से तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 90 माइनस थीटा. ओके. और ये एंगल आप लेते हैं दिस इज वैल्यू एंगल थीटा। ओके, तो दोनों पे ही रेंज क्या आएगी, सेम आएगी। अगर आप वर्टिकल से लेते हैं या हॉरिजॉन्टल से लेते हैं ये एंगल, देन यू विल बी गेटिंग द सेम रेंज। अगर ये 15 डिग्री यहाँ से है और अगर आपने वर्टिकल से 15 डिग्री को थ्रो करते हुए भेजा तो ये रेंज जो आएगी वो क्या आएगी, दोनों के लिए सेम आएगी। अगर ये 15 डिग्री हॉरिजॉन्टल से हुआ और ये 15 डिग्री वर्टिकल से हुआ, you will be getting the same range according to this concept.